Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through various forms of content, including articles, infographics, videos, and email newsletters. In this video, you will learn how to solve integrals using the substitution rule. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will use the substitution rule to compute the integral of 2x e to the x squared dx and the integral of x squared sine of x cubed dx. We start by evaluating the integral of 2x e to the x squared dx. To begin, we let u equals x squared. The differential is then du equals 2x dx. Plugging the substitution and the differential into our integral then gives the integral of e to the u du. Integrating gives e to the u plus c. Back substituting, we obtain a final answer of e to the x squared plus c. Next, we compute the integral of x squared times sine of x cubed dx. To begin, we let u equals x cubed. Our differential is then du equals 3x squared dx. Dividing both sides of the differential by 3, we obtain 1/3 du equals x squared dx. Applying the substitution rule gives us the integral of 1/3 sine of u du. Applying the constant multiple rule gives 1/3 times the integral of sine of u du. Integrating, we obtain minus 1/3 cosine of u plus c. Back substituting, we arrive at a final answer of minus 1/3 cosine of x cubed plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.